Alright, hello everybody. We are pulling into the Fast5Xpress car wash store here in Beaumont. You might notice, or you may not, that there is spots all over my car. And that is the result of Oil Changers Car Wash, which is located just like across the freeway from here. I was trying to do a car wash review of that place, but the system kept malfunctioning. So I figured that I'm just going to run through and use my employee wash here today and see if that can fix the mess. It probably will. But I also wanted to record it because this is the first time I've been through a Fast5 store since they've introduced Rain-X Graphene. And I actually have a flyer for that. You can actually see they're doing a promotion for the new Rain-X Graphene sealant, and I'll give you a look at the flyer that we actually hand out to people. Please pause to read. Thank you. All right, let's proceed. Starting out with citrus foam bath. Doing the walker panel brushes on the sides, and we're going to be doing the wraparound brushes now. Now we're doing the triple foam right now. Doing top brush number 1. Some additional soap for the second top brush to get. Now we're doing the high pressure rinse now. Doing one more set of brushes here. Now here, you see these little banana foamers, shape foamers right there? That is the Rain-X Graphene. We already used Rain-X products, but we added graphene on top of the normal sealant we use for the Platinum package as an incentive to buy the Platinum. To be honest, I like it, so. We're going to be doing the dry and shine here, and the tire shining devices are going on the bottom. Can't really see it. And now we're going to be doing the top dry and shine, and that's going to be it. Wait for the go. Yeah, I've already done numerous videos of this car wash, but and you can already kind of tell how decent of a job it does, but I'm going to pull over here and we'll take a closer look. Wow, look what just came off of my car. Now, before you jump to conclusions, I'm not sure if it was Fast5 that did it or Oil Changers that did it, because I came here right after the Oil Changers place, so that may have been the wash that took that off. The my manager here is going to check it out right now, but besides that, we're not looking too shabby here. Yeah, this is fine. that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.